Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing the worksheet 6 of a mensuration lesson. Now coming to the fourth sum. The radius of the base of a cylindrical oil can is 4 meter. Find the height if it can contain 1408 kiloliters of oil. अभी द सॉलिड इज अ सिलेंडर है ना, एक सिलेंड्रिकल ऑयल कैन, ऑयल को भरने वाला एक कैन. इट इज सिलेंड्रिकल इन शेप. सो उसका रेडियस ऑफ द बेस दैट इज सर्कुलर, सो इट इज रेडियस इज गिवन. ओके, रेडियस इज इक्वल टू 4 मीटर एंड द हाइट फाइंड आउट करने का है. Height is equal to how much, but they have told it can contain 1408 kiloliters. So उसके अंदर कितना तेल है? It is volume, but volume is given in 1408 kiloliters. पहले सम में हम देखे हैं किलोलीटर, मतलब इट इज अ मीटर क्यूब. क्यों? 1 मीटर क्यूब इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोलीटर और 1 किलोलीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 मीटर क्यूब. सो किलोलीटर के जगह में मीटर क्यूब डालो. अभी ऑर्डिनरी सम जैसे हमेशा करते हैं वैसे. वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ सिलेंडर is equal to, formula is pi r square h. अभी वॉल्यूम दिया है 1408 और पाई इज 22/7, r squared, r is 4, you have to write 2 times and h. So h को राइट साइड में रखोगे. So 1408, 7 goes to the numerator and 22 into 4 into 4. So if you cancel, it will be 4 1s are 4 3s are 12, 2 remains, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8. Again if you think 4 1s are 4 8s are 32, 33, 34, 35, 3 remains, 32, 4 8s are 32. Now 22 1s are 22 4s are. So you got a 7 4s are. H is equal to 28 meter. Understood? Answer: the height of the cylindrical oil can is 28 meter. Hope you understood the cancellations, isn't it? H they have asked. So volume already दिया है, but it is given in kiloliter. Just change kiloliter to meter cube and then put the values, find out H. Now coming to the fifth sum, the radius and the height of the cylinder are in the ratio 5:7 and its volume is 550 centimeter cube and find its radius. So whenever it is given in ratio, how we have to write? First it is write the shape, that is the solid is a cylinder, volume is given 550 centimeter cube. Now radius and height are in the ratio. So radius is a first one 5, रेशियो में देते ही साइड में x डालो 5x, but this is in centimeter, so you can write 5x centimeter. Now h is equal to 7x centimeter. समझ में आया? 5:7, इसके लिए 5x and 7x. Now find out the value of x first. So volume of a cylinder, what is the formula? Pi r square h. वॉल्यूम मिला है 550, 22/7 इंटू r square 5x into 5x into h is 7x. 7 gets cancelled. Now x कितने बार है? 3 times. So x cube is equal to, this is 550 अपॉन, ये सब डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा, क्या है? 22. x को सबको हम इधर लिखे तो 5 and this 5, it will go to the denominator. So it will be 5 1s are 5 1 1 0. Now it will be 22. So 11 2s are 11, 1s are 0s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 5 1s are 5 1s are. So you got x cube is equal to 1. X cube is equal to 1. So x is equal to cube root of 1 is how much? 1. You got x is equal to 1. Now you find out the radius. Radius, even the height also you can. R is equal to 5x, that is 5 into 1, that is 5 centimeter, and h is equal to 7x, that is 7 into 1, 7 centimeter. Understood? How the calculation? X 3 times, that is why x cube, then 550, and these are all, because 7 got cancelled. All these they go to the denominator, फिर cancel करो. Answer, the radius of the given cylinder is 5 centimeter. Is it clear? That was question number 5. Now coming to the question number 6. The thickness of the hollow metallic cylinder is 2 centimeter. It is 35 centimeter long, and the radius is, inner radius is 12 centimeter. Find the metal required, volume of the metal required to make the cylinder, assuming it is open at both the ends. तो पहले एग्जाम्पल में किए वैसे ही, है ना, ऐसे एक ट्यूब. सो थिकनेस, ये थिकनेस कितना बोले हैं? ये thickness is it is a 2 centimeter, okay, and it is 35 centimeter long. H is equal to 35 centimeter. Inner radius, so thickness 2 है, inner radius मतलब इधर सेंटर से इधर अंदर का, this one it is how much they have told? It is 12 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find out the outer radius. So inner radius is 12, thickness, inner radius is 12 and thickness is 2. So the outer radius will be inner radius plus the thickness. इधर inner दिया है तो outer के लिए add करने का. एग्जाम्पल में आउटर दिया था तो इनर, तो यू हैव टू सबट्रैक्ट, याद रखो. सो इट इज द इनर रेडियस व्हेन इट इज गिवन. टू फाइंड आउट द आउटर रेडियस, एड द थिकनेस. नाउ find the volume. Okay, we'll find out now. This one will be, outer radius will be 12 plus 2 is 14 centimeter. Now we will write everything. What is the solid? It is a cylinder. Now first, it is a height is given as it is 35 centimeter long. Then inner radius is given. Inner radius, if you take it as R1, that is 12 centimeter. Now thickness is given as 2 centimeter. Therefore, outer radius is equal to R2. If we take outer as R2, that is inner radius 12 plus thickness 2, so you will get 14 centimeter. R1 is 12, R2 is 14. Now volume of the metal required. So like this is a tube. Okay. So inner it is fully empty. So we have to take the volume of the outer cylinder minus the volume of the inner cylinder. तो तभी सिर्फ इतना ही आपको मिलेगा. ठीक है. Volume of the metal required. Is equal to volume of a outer cylinder minus volume of a inner cylinder. समझ में आ गए? तो हमें ये ट्यूब इतना ही अंदर का पूरा एम्प्टी है, तो इसके लिए वॉल्यूम ऑफ आउटर सिलेंडर माइनस वॉल्यूम ऑफ इनर सिलेंडर. तो अभी वॉल्यूम ऑफ आउटर सिलेंडर पाई आर, अभी आउटर का R2 है, R2 स्क्वेर्ड H माइनस इनर के लिए पाई R1 स्क्वेर्ड H. Now outer is R2 and inner radius is R1. So which is common? Pi H. Pi H को बाहर ले लो और अंदर R2 स्क्वेर्ड माइनस R1 स्क्वेर्ड. So pi का वैल्यू 22/7, H is 35 into R2 is a 14 square minus 12 square. So 7 1s are 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. अभी आया 14 squared is 196 minus 12 squared is 144. So it will be 110 into 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus 4 is 5, 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0, 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55 plus 2, 57. And it is centimeter cube. Hope you understood. कभी भी वॉल्यूम ऑफ द ट्यूब पूछेंगे तो यू हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द आउटर सिलेंडर माइनस द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द इनर सिलेंडर. इसके लिए थिकनेस जब दिया जाता है, इनर रेडियस देंगे तो आउटर रेडियस के लिए ऐड करते हैं, आउटर रेडियस देंगे तो इनर रेडियस के लिए थिकनेस को माइनस करते हैं. ठीक है. सो आंसर, the volume of the metal required is 5720 centimeter cube. Hope you are getting the confidence of this type of sum. This is second time we are doing, isn't it? So ये सिर्फ बाहर का इतना ही हम ढूंढ रहे हैं, अंदर वो एम्प्टी है. सो इसके लिए द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द आउटर सिलेंडर माइनस द इनर सिलेंडर. नाउ कमिंग टू द सेवेंथ सम. The rectangular sheet of paper is rolled along its length. याद है ना ऐसे वाले सम? So the sheet is 33 centimeter long, means length is 33 centimeter and wide मतलब breadth is 32 centimeter. Now it is converted into a cylinder. So breadth becomes what? Height of the cylinder. And now the length becomes the circumference of the base, that is 33 centimeter. Hope you are confident of this topic now. So the rectangle is converted into a cylinder, then length becomes the circumference, breadth becomes the height. बहुत बार ऐसे वाले सम्स किए अभी. Now, the circular sheet of paper is attached at the bottom of the cylinder. ये सिलेंडर सोचो, नीचे से पूरा का पूरा एक सर्कुलर पेपर को डाल दिया और उसके अंदर कितना कैपेसिटी है, मतलब इसके अंदर हम कितना कुछ भी कितना डाल सकते हैं. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम. सो कैपेसिटी ऑफ द सिलेंडर मीन्स द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर. तो सेम what we have to do, first find out the volume of the cylinder. फॉर्मूला डालो. फॉर्मूला डालेंगे तो क्या मिला? पाई आर स्क्वायर्ड एच. लेकिन हमें पाई आर स्क्वायर्ड आर मिला है क्या? नहीं. सो सर्कमफरेंस मिला है. सर्कमफरेंस इज इक्वल टू 33 सेंटीमीटर. सो सर्कमफरेंस का फॉर्मूला क्या है? 2 पाई आर. So 33 is equal to 2 into 22/7 into R. So R 33 into 7 upon 2 into 22. 11 2s are 11 3s are. तो कितना मिला? R is equal to 7 3s are 21, 2 2s are 4 centimeter. Keep it like that only. Now put the value 22/7, R squared 21/4, again 21/4, and H is how much? 32. 4 1s are 4 8s are 4 1s are 4 2s are 7 1s are 7 3s are. So when you multiply 22 into 3 into 21 into 2, you get 2772 and it is centimeter cube. 2772. Multiply and see. Okay. So answer, capacity means volume. Remember, the capacity of the given cylinder is 2772 centimeter cube. So rectangle is converted into the cylinder, and then it is a one paper, circular paper is a sheet of paper is attached to the bottom, and now you have to find out the capacity. So that is the volume. So first you have to find out the radius, because the length becomes the radius, the circumference, and from that find out the radius, and then find the value of the volume of the cylinder. Hope all students understood, isn't it? So seventh sum we have completed. You are confident of these sums? Bye. Thank you. Please write the revision without seeing. First you solve it and then immediately write the revision on your own, so that you will be confident of the sums. Bye. Thank you. All the best.